Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the one thing you absolutely must master if you want to succeed in Forex trading. And trust me, this isn't just another buy low, sell high tip. This is the game changer. So what is it? Is it technical analysis? Fundamental analysis? Risk management? Nope, those are all important, but the one thing you must master is your mindset. Forex trading isn't just about numbers, charts, or economic news. It's about how you handle the ups and downs. It's about staying disciplined when the market moves against you and not getting overconfident when you're on a winning streak. Think about it. The market is unpredictable. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you panic during a loss or get greedy during a win, you're going to lose. Your mindset is what keeps you consistent. Mastering your mindset means 1. Staying patient. Not every trade will be a winner. 2. Being disciplined. Stick to your trading plan. 3. Managing emotions. Don't let fear or greed take over. Here's a quick tip. Start a trading journal. Remember, the market doesn't care about your feelings. It's ruthless. But if you can master your mindset, you'll be unstoppable. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more trading tips. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest mental challenge you face in trading?